He's a regular guest
Yeah.
on McAfee's podcast.
Okay.
That was, the speculation was that Rodgers would announce,
Right.
I'm signing with the Steelers.
Wouldn't that have been something?
Did not happen.
No, it did not happen. Still, wow, what an electric night, though.
Yeah. Ray, how we doing? It's been dreary. It's been gloomy.
Tonight is not a big night out. It's
a good
soggy
night in.
out. Yeah, it's not pretty at all. We have some fog settling into the region. We have the drizzle, and so far it is not a pretty setup, as we've had a pretty nasty day today. So what we're going to end up with is this rain, this drizzle. This is all still trying to work out of our system, and we're going to have to deal with it for the next few hours. This is going to finish up, and then once we get into tomorrow, I think it's largely going to be a dry day. Early on, can't rule out some drizzle, but I think it's going to be overall just a cloudy, mostly cloudy day, maybe a couple peaks of sunshine if we're lucky. Now, tomorrow evening, we'll get some moisture trying to push back our way, and this is with that system as it starts to move up the East Coast. It's going to try to give us some of that wraparound moisture. This will push in and give us maybe even a couple snowflakes up to the north and in the ridges for a couple of hours. Friday night into Saturday morning, and then it gets pushed back to the east and will dry it up for the start of the new week. The start of the new week also comes with warmer temperatures attached, so we're going to get highs returning into the 60s and 70s. But we have to get through this first, and when you have a lot of moisture just sitting in the air in the form of fog, you don't see much of a change in temperature usually. So right now, we're at 3 miles of visibility in Pittsburgh, 2.5 for Franklin, 1 3/4 Du Bois, and a mile of visibility in Indiana. And just so you can put that into perspective, 10 is considered good visibility. Not many of us have that. So you can see here, definitely a foggy setup trying to unfold here over downtown Pittsburgh as we look from Mount Washington down towards the point. Right now, it's 49 degrees. The winds are light, so we're not really mixing up this air as much either. Tonight, we're going down to the mid to upper 30s in most cases, and then about 40 degrees in Pittsburgh. Highs tomorrow, these are going to be found in the upper 40s. So if you're doing the math there, we're not going to see much of a temperature swing tonight into tomorrow afternoon. So sort of what you see is what you get for the next 24 hours. So tonight, 40 degrees, scattered showers, some drizzle and fog still in there. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, only making it up to 48 degrees. So this is going to be just one of those days with clouds and not much of a temperature change at all. We'll see those highs eventually making it up to 48 late tomorrow. Over the next 7, our temperatures go from the upper 40s tomorrow and Saturday to about 60 degrees on Sunday, which is an average temperature for this time of year. Warm on Monday, 70 with some rain turning on late, and this is going to lead to a drop in temperature. So our temps fall through the day on Monday. We keep it cool on, fall through Tuesday, keep it cool on Wednesday, and then start to warm back up a little bit, but still on the chilly side for April by the time we get to Thursday of next week.